Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Egg Vindaloo. The ingredients are here for a quick view. I have also listed it in the description box below. First, we'll start preparing the masala paste. In a mixer jar, I am taking 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 star anise and few cloves. I am adding 6 dry chillies, 3 garlic cloves and 3 pieces of ginger. Let us grind it and make it a smooth paste. The masala is now ready. I have taken 4 boiled eggs and making cuts on the top and sides of the egg so that the masala goes in and adds flavor to it. To this I am adding half tablespoon of chilli powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and little salt and few drops of oil. Coat the eggs nicely. I have added oil so that the masala easily coats on the eggs. Let us take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the eggs. Fry the eggs on all the sides. Once the eggs are fried, we will remove them. In the same pan, I am adding few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds pops open, I am adding 1 onion. Saute it. Once the onions becomes transparent, I am adding 1 tomato to it and a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder helps the tomatoes to get cooked easily. And close it with a lid. After 1 minute, fry them once again. And to it I am adding few curry leaves and few mint leaves. Now let's add the masala paste. And mix them nicely. To it I am adding half cup of water and salt as required. Mix it well and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when the oil starts to separate, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Now let's add the fried eggs. Mix it well so that the masala gets coated on the eggs. To this I am adding half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it and let it cook for 30 seconds. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Anne's Lab. Thank you.